Hello and welcome back. I am in the car already on my way to a very exciting day. I hope you've been enjoying the vlogs. This is the second last day in India. So tomorrow will be my last vlog and today is jam packed. So I had to bring you guys with me because hopefully we'll have lots of lovely stops. So first off, I am off to get some food, obviously. So the first stop today is Kayani & Co. It's a very old Irani restaurant and bakery and they serve obviously the best bun maska chai and I am here for just that. Look at that, amazing. Okay, let me show you. They have these cakes, but look at that. Their mawa cake, which I'm gonna have. Cream rolls and their very famous biscuits. I'm in heaven. I am in heaven. Here is their lovely simple menu. This is a chicken cutlet, keema, pao. This is bun maska and chai. Mainly I'm here for bun maska and chai because there's nothing like this in the whole world. And I've also ordered a chicken biryani because why not? The chicken cutlet has got potato in it and minced chicken. I really am having the best time ever and I've got my cousin Nimi with me who is giving me company to eat all of this food because it's so amazing. I don't even eat mutton. I used to once upon a time but not anymore. But it's just wow. Tutu. Everything is incredible. It's Sunday, so there is not much traffic here. The last time I was here 2 years ago, I couldn't walk on this road properly because it was packed. But being Sunday, it's an advantage because you can see and there's Kiani. I have to say, I am so happy. So I can taste this bun maska with the chai and there's nothing like this in the whole world. We've arrived at the Kala Ghoda festival, art festival. Just show you quickly around and I'll keep this focused on food, don't worry. But this is so unusual and I've finally managed to come here for the first time that I thought I'll quickly bring you along. I'll show you the best kind of glimpses of the festival. We finished the Kala Ghoda Art Festival and now we're stopping at a very old bakery. I have no idea how old, but it was there when I used to live in Bombay. So we're stopping there to see what they're doing right now and get some bakes. So this is the place, Gaylord's. We're going in. Okay, so everything looks great. I think almond tart is what I'm buying. This is so interesting. Chicken makhani bun, I mean cheese, and the chicken puff. So we've got the goodies, some pastry and chicken puff, classic. I'm gonna eat it in the car, but I'm checking there's a Parsi ice cream shop, very famous. They do like a sandwich ice cream for years and years. So just checking if it's open. So we found the shop, Rustam Ice Cream, and it's shut. But the board says that they'll open at 3 o'clock on a Sunday, and it's Sunday today. So there are a few people waiting, to be fair. So we're gonna wait because it's 10 minutes to open. It's worth the wait. So we're still waiting for the shop to open. It is time but it's not open yet. Crowd has increased. There are so many people waiting for the shop to open now. We do think that this is going to open, but I don't have loads of time. Okay, so the guy's here finally, and everyone's literally waiting to pounce. But at least the shop is opening. So many people, including us. Okay, here we are. That's the menu, and it's packed behind me because it's madness. And they're putting that in between the wafers. Finally. Look at that. It's called Rustam and Co. and I am so glad I waited for it. I need to eat it before it melts. It was worth the wait.
Absolutely.
मैं और 10 मिनट I can wait for this.
But I think mine is yummy.
अच्छा कुछ भी क्या? Oh,
है ना?
this is walnut crunch. That is, oh my god,
Coconut raspberry. Coconut crunch. Insane.
So I am here with Saloni.
Hi.
And we might or might not be shooting something together. But we needed some curry leaves. And look what has arrived. The whole plant has arrived. Look at that. Look. That's the whole branch. And it smells amazing. Is there a tree or something? Is
No,
there a
it's
plant?
always like that though.
Oh.
Whenever you go to like a vegetable vendor, yeah, they don't even sell it to you. It's all for free because there are trees everywhere. So they just hand it over.
Oh, so good.
Yum.
It is really yum.
So I finished the shoot and it went incredibly well. I really hope you guys are going to love all this stuff that I've been filming in India. All the recipes, just the interaction, the chat. Anyway, so I finished that, which was amazing. And now I'm off to see my school best friend and we're going to have dinner. She's booked this restaurant which is brand new, just opened. Two mixed reviews. She's heard it's not that great. I've heard it's alright. So only one way to find out. Try it for yourself. So I am going there. So we've come to Bandra and we're just walking around this old Pali village, and this is where I used to live. Some lovely old houses. Okay, so we are here at Scarlet House. It's a very new restaurant opened by some Bollywood person. Let's see what's the fuss is all about. So these are banana fries with coriander mayo. This is Madras calamari. And this is a Malabar prawn curry with rice. Overall, everything is actually quite tasty. And we're finishing the meal with a banoffee pan. So we got a bite out of this. ये भी अच्छा लेकिन चाय में उन्होंने बैड टेस्ट दिया. Right, so I've finished dinner. I have said bye to my friend. I'm going to see her for breakfast tomorrow. So I'll bring you guys along because it's my last day in India before I go back home to UK. So it's a wrap. It was a delicious day and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and come back for the next and final vlog tomorrow. Bye.